Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video, a different video, a different kind of video. I'm holding my phone and everything. Um, Not that I've been, first of all, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So, not that I haven't been getting a lot of messages about where have I been, why I'm not being consistent, but I've gotten a few. Gotten a few messages on Instagram and a few comments on YouTube and stuff, right? So, in short, barbering, not the actual job of barbering, I actually do still love cutting hair, making people feel good, look a little better, all that good stuff, right? The main thing is for me when it comes to the content world is it's a multitude of things. One, barbering is a small community. I know us in the community is huge to us, right? But when you get to the online experience, and I'm a barber or a clipper, a product reviewer, right? I do post haircuts every now and then, but that's not what I usually do. It's usually reviews and just talking about stuff that's out or coming out, right? So one of the things is how products have been dropping. And even till now, there's a lot of drops that is happening. My thing is, unless you really changing it, it's not a lot to say. I just ordered the new clipper and Andis from the new clipper and trimmer from Andis. And I'm waiting on to hear something back from Supreme because I want to order their new clipper, but they sold out on the website. But I think they told me that they have some third party, people that may have some available. So I am going to get back into more because I do like the barber industry. It's just the social media part of it that sometimes can get kind of ran down. Unless you are, which maybe y'all have noticed, some barbers are trying to move into other content, which I might too. You get what I'm saying? But my thing about the content is I'm not trying to force content just so I can have something up to maybe make $1, right? If that was the case, I would fucking do reaction videos and all that stuff. That's where like the money and shit at, right? When I started doing YouTube, it was more or less because I was new into YouTube. So my main thing, or new into the barber world. So my main thing was just to talk about what I'm trying out and to maybe help somebody save some money on what they might want or give my opinion on what's out there, what they should buy, right? So where I am now is where do we find that at, all right? Stylecraft, Gamma, Babyliss, it's a lot of the repeat tools that's coming out. Not that they not good, it's just when you release stuff so close together, you kind of start over talking yourself. You know what I'm saying? I am going to get back into dropping more videos because I still do like the conversations that's happening. But again, with everybody else who's changing content, again, I don't know what I done got into grilling. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I just now started smoking and grilling. Maybe I'll post some stuff like that. But once you find something else to talk about, that's just what happened. I don't want to be one of those barbers who one week I'm doing, I do have a podcast, but I don't want to overdrive one page just because I have numbers there to make it seem like one day I'm talking about finances, one day I'm talking about how to cut hair, the next day I'm talking about grilling, the next day I'm talking about just reacting to videos. I don't want to overload this page. That's not what I'm here for. You get what I'm saying? So where I've been and why I'm not being consistent, that's really it. There's other reasons. Life is life. So you still have to deal with life. You know what I'm saying? So you got that as well. But all that to say, I will be getting back in consistency, and maybe you will start seeing other stuff on my page. I mean, if it's something that you want to see, cool. Hey, if it's not, then you know you can unsubscribe or just skip the video or something like that. I just like you if y'all follow what's going on Instagram and stuff. A lot of the big barbers or a lot of barbers are not even focusing on showing haircuts. They're not focused on showing tools. Most of them are creating content, which there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just not trying to create randomness outside of the barber world. That's why I said I'm getting into grilling. That's something that I'm happy about. So maybe y'all start seeing more of that. But as far as the barber content, the clippers, the trimmers, I know Wahl have a super trimmer, a super taper, cordless super taper coming out. I will be getting that. But I'm gonna get back into it because like I said, I still like it. It's just kind of, you gotta find your place in it. You know what I'm saying? And I found myself at a time so focused on numbers that it made this whole online stuff not fun. You know what I'm saying? And rather me do it just to force myself, I'd rather just step away for a second and wait till I can drop something. You know what I'm saying? Like, instead of just forcing to talk about, you know, what's new. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to force myself to do certain things. So, long story less long, I'll be back. It won't be 2 episodes a week like it usually. It won't be 2 posts a week like it used to be. Maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. But I'm just trying to find my rhythm to get back into things. If you care, like, subscribe, share, comment, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And if not, I still appreciate you for watching this long. Peace.